Traders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Cardano latest news, which is very important for all of you guys. Now you can see here the Cardano start positive changes. You can see here last one day from yesterday, the changes of Cardano is positive 4.25% positive changes occur in the Cardano order. So personally, I believe, guys, that the huge pump of Cardano is coming because the trading volume of Cardano is very fastly increasing, guys. ADA is a future digital gold, so I recommend for you to please hold for a long time, guys. Now the right now price of Cardano is 2.35 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Cardano in the market, guys. So please hold, don't decide to sell, guys. Let me show you the price chart. You can see your guys now from yesterday, there is last 1 week price chart, and you can see from yesterday now from 22 September Cardano start positive changes, guys. Start positive changes, but you can see here in a previous time the price very petty pump. You can see here that's why the changes of Cardano is still negative, guys, but very soon, guys, the changes of Cardano will become positive, guys. Now I think it is a beginning of a huge pump, guys. And guys, just believe me, in October, a huge pump of Cardano is coming soon. So please hold, and if you want to buy Cardano, so I recommend that now the price is cheap if you want to buy right now. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and guys, tell me in the comment box your opinion about Cardano, your prediction about Cardano in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.